Today, I want to share with you something that's been coming up over and over again. People have been talking to me about it, and I just had to share because it's a dream killer. It crushes your motivation. It gets in the way of you getting your ideas out there, and we need your ideas. Those are gifts to the world. We need you. And so, self-doubt. That was getting in the way of this one particular client. And she'd have all these great ideas, and she would either be immobilized by them, or she would procrastinate and delay or talk herself out of it. How many can relate to that one, right? And so she started to coach with me, and what she realized was that her self-doubt was really about perfection. She wanted to get it right. And it sounds so logical when we're in the middle of it. Well, yeah, I'm not really ready, and I need this, and I need this, and I need this. But really, it wasn't about needing something. It was just about fearing that, hey, I'm going to look bad. I'm going to get judged. I'm not going to be good enough. All those things that are going on in our mind. So what she did do is she started to pay attention to that, when she was getting into self-doubt, or when her self-doubt came up. And she started to take action, just small little action steps to it moving her in the direction of her goal. And with each achievement, each little action step, she started to feel more confident. And each time she felt more confident, she would take a step, she'd achieve it. Her self-doubt really started to go down, and her confidence started to go up. And at the end, she created an amazing video that was really was a gift to her and her audience. And she also created a book and many other things. She went on to create many other things. She's a very prolific, creative person. And the thing is, I want to say is that self-doubt is a natural part of the process. And it's like our resistance. And one of the things is that we want to sort of harness our self-doubt, put it to the side, and say, version 1 is better than version none. Okay, just remember that. This is your new mantra. Version 1 is better than version none. And start taking those small, consistent action steps and really embrace your imperfection. We are not perfect. We're human beings, and we're going to get better and better every day that we practice. And that is the way to overcome self-doubt, is to take action, take those small, consistent actions, get help, get some support, have somebody out there who's really going to be your cheerleader and really going to help you to take those action steps. I would love to hear how you overcame your self-doubt. Put your comments and put it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I will be sending you out these videos that are based in neuroscience, and they are mindset tips that will really help you become the best version of yourself. Remember, you matter, your dreams matter, and your dreams will change the world.